Hello YouTube, it's Craig with Casworks Woodworking. As I'm ramping up to get back into the shop to start working on some projects, I've been working on a tool vest. Actually, Jesse from Samurai Carpenter, he had the design. I think he's going to be selling them, and I wanted to make my own. I really would have wanted to do it out of leather, but I chose a different material. I've got portion of it here. You can kind of see, and then I've got to put the shoulder straps on and be able to attach a bunch of pockets and so forth. Should be very doable, durable. I want to thank Mom for helping me out with the patterning, and we did some sewing. Unfortunately, you need a little more industrial sewing machine. We broke the higher grade needle a couple of times, so I'm going to be hand stitching, so it's going to take some time. But Jesse with Samurai Carpenter, he is a fantastic woodworker and craftsman. I'll leave a link to his YouTube channel in the description below. You should check it out. But I look forward to getting back in the shop, and hopefully I can turn out some good content for you. Have a great week.